Blessings, love. And this is my offering to the waxing gibbous moon phase of the lunar cycle, the phase of the lunar cycle preceding the full moon activation. And this is the great goddess Kenya, making her self known in these moments. The moon moved from Pisces into Aries this evening, and the moon will fully activate the full moon at the 24th degree of Aries on October 17th, Universal Time. There is so much fear and pain and unrest in this world, and we need to take moments in our life to remember the deeper purpose, especially for those of us who are privileged enough to have a voice, to have a platform, to have desire, to have a roof over our heads, and to have a voice to call on the great mother of the earth. To call on the one, the heart of the one that beats from deep within thee. We are collectively awakening through shock and terror and outrage for many different reasons, an incredible polarity moving through us all. We are here to rewire the ancient, insidious, implanted liars of the mind, the voices in your mind that have kept you small for your entire life and afraid of evolving and ascending beyond this life of where you're living. You come to reclaim your body and your voice, to speak to your life. This word to follow is by Erica Swadley from 2004, shared by Girl God Books on Instagram and Facebook, which I love deeply. Listen to me. O great Mother Goddess, we call on you now. We invite your presence. Surround and encompass us. Rise up from your roots. Hear us, our voices of pathos. See our dancing feet. How we beat out your rhythms. With our hearts, we drum you back. We are staggering towards you. Will you run 100 steps towards us? Will you spread your mantle of peace? This is the sack of our offerings. We give up our greed to feed the needy. Here is our lust to restore compassion. We release our hatred to stop the killing. We forego our vengeance to discover balance. We scorn our fears to rebirth love. We tread softly to bring back forests. And Mother answers, no more, no more, no more. I've sent you shining planets to help you remember. Mars and Venus beg you to reconcile. From the depths of space, the planet Sedna appears, a planetary avatar to stop you in your tracks. Time is ended. Truth be told. Release. Forgive. Restore. Remember me in all my forms. I will bring you light to your shadows and make you whole if you will call on me. By Erica Swadley and the great goddess Kenya, giving her blessings. Call on the great mother now. You are being called to awaken. You are being called to remember. You are not alone. You are always connected because you are alive. Beyond the depression and all of the self-loathing, there is a light from deep within calling. Don't give up. We need you.